Just got over here to Gonzalez Garage, taco. Yo, what's up?
What up? Yes, sir.
That's
Get
right.
it. Get
What's
it.
up, dude?
Get it.
What's up, Danny?
What's up, fucking Danny?
What's up? Mr. Gonzalez Garage himself.
What's up, guys?
What's up, man?
Checking out Ryan's car.
So break it down.
Got it blasted. Ryan went over to the guys at Abrasive, got it blasted. Came back to me. We blew it out really good. Got all the sand out of there. And yeah, man. Laid down some DTM primer. And
Nice.
There she is.
Nice.
There she is.
Thank you very much. I know it's gonna be really nice when you get done with it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm excited. And it's not fucking stickers. It's paint.
You know, it's a trip, man. People will actually make comments that they think my car is vinyl wrapped.
Yeah, it's not.
No.
It's not. Yeah.
Like the thing that everybody does is that they walk up and then
The first thing they do is they touch it. Yeah.
touch it.
They can't believe it, yeah?
Yeah.
No, but it's actual carpeting, man. Carpeting.
Yeah.
It should be pretty dope, dude. I'm excited.
It's gonna be awesome.
I like that color you got.
Oh.
Ooh. Yeah.
Wait till you see that.
Yeah. Should be dope, man.
That's dope. Sergio, so what's the plan? What are we doing?
We're gonna cut more.
What are we gonna cut?
So we're hopefully gonna cut the whole floor out.
Okay.
The whole center section out and tube it and just throw some sheet metal over.
Okay.
And then obviously tube the front end.
What's the purpose of that?
We're tubing the front end. Fucking tubing the front end, reinforcing the shock tower because Ryan wants to jump it.
He took his hat off for that. You see what I mean? He said Ryan wants to jump it. Ryan wants to jump it. That's the key.
So we're pretty much gonna reinforce it all around, shock towers. We're gonna pretty much tube the trans tunnel. And yeah, tube the rear end for radiator and fuel cell.
Okay.
Should be good to go.
Should be good to go?
Hopefully.
It's a lot of work, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're all gonna be busy.
Oh yeah.
We're all gonna be busy.
Very, very.
Well, thank you guys. I guess it's time to load her up and drop her off over at Animal.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay, let me stop this.
Guess we start tomorrow then.
Yeah.
Right on.
Fucking meet. I gotta be here early. Whenever you're ready, we'll just meet at McFadden's.
Okay.
And I'll be back and get material.
Okay. Perfect. Yeah. Ready. So we are off to McFaddendale, the ultimate hardware supply. Let's go. It really is, man. Got everything, dude. What are we watching, man?
The Wolf of Wall Street.
Love this movie. Favorite. One of my favorites.
Helps me get through traffic.
Well. Wow. Oh, you got done dirty. thing's pretty sweet.
Yeah, a little taco.
Yeah, ride's pretty good.
Office.
My cantilever set up back there. This thing rides pretty nice, pretty nice.
For daily, it's perfect for sure.
For sure.
It could be a little stiffer for like track.
But I like it because, like, the size of it, it's like easier to drive, whip in and out around traffic, you know?
Yeah. Middle track.
Yeah. And you can still throw all your stuff in the back and...
Brandon, 3 months in jail for contempt.
Is that Uncle Buck?
Yeah.
Dude, that is the best. That is the best. This is a spot. If you're in Southern California and you build cars, you come here.
See these people. Shout out.
Damn, look at this guy right here. With this lokes on top of his head. Looks like my uncle. Uncle Jerry looks just like this guy. Look at this guy. Multiple different costumes. You see these guys?
Oh, he's done it a few times.
A few times. What's going on, dude? How are you?
This place has absolutely everything. Anything hardware. You got plugs, you got cap screws, metric, standard, grade 8, grade 5. Yeah, what do you use that for? There you go. We're gonna work on you. Cotter pins, washers, I mean, you name it. This place has got it. You get some super glue, unfortunately. Super glue that dirty mouth of yours shut. I should get some bars of soap when I'm here, huh? Okay, what else do we need, bro? Half a pound. Trying to get that wood finish. Yeah, rubber hose. I mean, you can all different assortments. For industrial, light duty. We got absolutely everything. Belts for compressors. I don't know if I almost had too much, you know? You say that, but then it's like, oh, hey man, I wonder who has this and whatnot. And it's like, oh yeah, McFadden deal. We got it all. I'm just gonna put a sensor bar over your face. I need your alcohol, acetone. Grab one that isn't dented. I mean, I know it's not like soup, but... Who did have super glue? Under adhesives, duh. Gosh, you want me to do everything? You want me to do everything, man?
morning, so we had a problem. Even though little guy sandblasted all the rubber that stayed in there, it's caught on fire. Kaboom. Anyway, stitch welding inside. Bam, bam, bam. Fire.
Do? Trying to burn the place down?
Donnie.
Hey, we're very fortunate that there was nothing in the car, so nothing happened. Sergio was taking a break.
I was calling the steel lady because Ryan was there.
Oh. What happened? I missed that one. I missed another one.
Next time we'll email you one.
Yeah, perfect.
We'll make sure you got it.
Let me mark out that side for you.
Grab the water bottle right there. Where is it? Where?
Other end. That's alright. Just spray some more carpenter on it. Yeah, Serge. You know that stuff is flammable.
It wasn't even that hot though.
Whatever.
Just got to weld it.
He was welding, and I fucking cleaned it with acetone, and the acetone went on fire.
You missed it. You missed it.
It's not like acetone isn't flammable, you know?
It wasn't that hot.
Yeah.
Missed it.
All right, everybody, that's it for this episode of It's Lit. Thank you guys very much for tuning in and watching. I really appreciate all the positive comments you guys are giving me. Yeah, I'll do my best to upload as much as I can. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again. Later.